Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize digital innovations with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing digital innovations with Shopify, start by assessing your current digital landscape. Identify the key areas of your business that need improvement. Research the latest digital innovations relevant to your industry. Sign up for a Shopify account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, explore the Shopify dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section to configure your store preferences. Integrate your existing digital tools and platforms with Shopify for seamless operations. Choose a suitable Shopify theme that aligns with your brand's identity. Customize your theme by uploading your logo and adjusting color schemes. Add essential apps from the Shopify App Store to enhance functionality. Optimize your product descriptions by using clear language and relevant keywords. Ensure your images are high quality and correctly sized for fast loading. Set up payment gateways to accommodate various customer preferences. Implement SEO best practices for product pages to improve search visibility. Utilize Shopify's built-in analytics tools to track customer behavior and sales performance. Experiment with different marketing strategies, such as email campaigns and social media ads. Continuously gather feedback from customers regarding their shopping experience. Make adjustments to your store based on the analytics and customer feedback. Finally, stay updated on Shopify's latest features and innovations to keep your store competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.